welcome to the first edition of what we are calling the Z Budget. We get lots of questions. How much does it cost to cruise? How much does it cost to live this lifestyle? We are going to go ahead and document that for you guys so that you will see what it costs a family of 6 living what we call a medium cruiser life out here. We're not living on the low end of the cruiser spectrum or the high end. We're kind of in the medium, we think, the middle. And so we're going to document that for you guys, and once a month we're going to put out what we call the Z Budget, where we just briefly go through, it'll be a short clip, where we briefly go through what we spent on living out here, such as medical insurance, food, groceries, propane gas, fuel for the boat, dockage fees, marina fees, customs, immigration, all those kind of things. One of the things we're not going to include in the budget is the cost of CapEx expenditures, like if I want to replace all the navigation on the boat, or things that are non-consumable items. You'll see all the repairs and maintenance on the Z Budget spreadsheet, and we'll have all those things there for you. Renee's going to take you down July's spreadsheet so you can see what we spent in July. Those are going to get a little more detailed as we get into it. And once again, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys out there.
So we'll start with the month of July, and as you can see, our fixed expenses include cell phones. We have 4 cell phones, an Iridium Go subscription, health insurance, boat insurance, PredictWind subscription, and our fixed expenses total about $1,100. And as you can see, the variable expenses, things that change each month, for July, food including propane was $1,136. We spent $770 on fuel, $346 on customs fees, that was to get into Turkey, $100 on entertainment, we saw a few movies, and Kate needed some new clothes, so that was $50. So our total variable expenses was $2,400 for a total cost for July of $3,585.
Thank you guys for watching, and we hope this is informative for you guys. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe, because you'll get the alerts when the Z Budgets come out, and you'll be able to watch those once a month, and you'll want to get that email. I look forward to seeing you guys out there.